Hello everyone and welcome in this online lecture. So today's lecture is Introduction to Medicinal Chemistry. Medicinal chemistry is a branch of science that include design, development and synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs. It uses knowledge of chemistry and biology. So what is drug? Drug is any substance that causes a physiological or psychological change in body once it enter in body. Change can be positive or negative. For example, paracetamol, antiviral drug remdesivir, caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, etc. So there is a difference between drug and medicine. Okay, drug can be useful as medicine also, or some drugs like caffeine, nicotine, alcohol just used for pleasure, not any medicinal use. So medicine is any drug that is used to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent disease. So see the difference. Drug is any substance that causes physiological or psychological change. Change can be positive or negative. Okay, useful as medicine or not. But medicine is any drug that is used to diagnose, cure, treat, or prevent disease. For example, paracetamol, remdesivir. Here we cannot say caffeine, nicotine as a alcohol as medicine. Okay, because they have not any medicinal use. Okay, so all medicine are drugs, but all drugs are not medicine. This line you should remember. Some example of medicine: paracetamol, structure with structure. Paracetamol is what? Analgesic, antipyretic. Okay. Rabiprazole is proton pump inhibitor, means it will reduce acid production in stomach. So rabiprazole is used for acidity. Ibuprofen analgesic means painkiller. Antipyretic means to reduce fever. Okay. Atorvastatin, this used for prevention of cardiovascular disease and treatment of abnormal lipid levels. Oxomniquin used for treatment of psychosomiasis. Sorry, it should be schistosomiasis. Okay, schistosomiasis. Some frequently used terms. So it is introduction lecture. You should know some common terms. Okay, analgesic is a medicine used to get relief from pain. It is painkiller. Okay, for example, ibuprofen. Antipyretic is a medicine used to reduce fever. Example, paracetamol. Pharmacology, study of drug action on body, that is pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of drug. Pharmacokinetics, the study of how body interact with the drug. Okay, so pharmacokinetics means our body, once drug introduced in body, what body will do, what body will do to that drug. Okay, that is nothing but pharmacokinetics over a time. That is drug absorption, bioavailability, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Okay, all these points studied in pharmacokinetics. Pharmacodynamics, effect of drug on body, that is interaction between drug, the human body and the pathogen that might be causing an infection in the patient. Okay, so pharmacokinetic is nothing but effect of body on drug, and pharmacodynamics is effect of drug on body. Okay, drug designing, it is the inventive process of finding new pharmaceutical drug based on the knowledge of biological target. Okay, it's just like any engineer will design first then build house. It's just like that. Okay, so biological knowledge and chemical knowledge is used for the designing of drug. Okay, so according to biological target, researcher will develop a design drug and then it will synthesized, and so that will be development of particular drug. Okay, drug synthesis, manufacturing of the desired drug. Once it design complete means everything done, so it will be synthesized. Lead compounds. The compounds on which a development is based are known as lead compounds, while the synthetic compounds developed from lead are known as its analogues. So this lecture is very short introduction. Okay, all remaining topics we will cover in our next lectures. So thanks for watching.